Okay, this is going to be a quick video on how to take a work order and reduce it because of a situation where a homeowner perhaps refuses to pay the full amount and authorization is given to reduce the amount of the invoice and the work order, which will ultimately go through to tracking. So in this case, here's a work order where the total on our invoice is $1,729. In this case, the homeowner refuses to pay and it says they'll pay $1,000 only. There's circumstances behind this that I don't need to go into, but I can tell you that getting permission from John or Dan, this would be the process to correct this. So the total $1,729. We're going to go to edit the work order. When we go to edit the work order, we're going to add a line at the bottom. Okay, we're not going to go in and reduce the $1,729 to $1,000. That doesn't tell the story on the work order with what happened. Instead, we're going to add a line, and on the line, we're going to add homeowner refuses to pay full amount, permission to reduce to $1,000 given by John. After that, we're going to put a negative amount in here to equal a total of $1,000. So we're going to reduce the 1729 by $700.29. Need to make sure that we include the trade. So we're going to change this trade or add mitigation to this trade. Okay, and then we're going to save it. When we save it, we're going to go to the job link, and what the job link at the top right here is going to do, it's going to take us back to the work order. Excuse me, where the work order now will have this line with a reduction of $700.29, making the total balance $1,000, along with an explanation of why we're doing this. And we're going to change this to complete. Okay, so now that it is complete, we are going to go to the tracking, and this is very important. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to show you what we did. Is we had this bill one at $1,729. This was also $1,729. What we've done is I have added a row by clicking on this. I've then put in the negative balance here. That way the total balance equals 0. Without doing this, this will show the balance as a negative amount. So I added a line, adjusted it the same way we did on the work order, so the balance, if it's already billed, is 0. And from there, I'd be clicking on Bill Complete. After I also put a note in here, the job was reduced per John. Homeowner refused to pay the full amount. John is aware and will be addressing with the homeowner. So those are the steps to get this modified when it happens. Get permission. Don't edit the work order based on the amount. Instead, add a line. Put in a negative amount for the difference. Go back to the job link to confirm. Go to the tracking. Add a row. Make the adjustment. Make a note.